Hi everyone, welcome back to FixBond. Today, we're troubleshooting a premium Philips Ultrasonic electric toothbrush that has completely lost its spark. The owner reported it was totally unresponsive, no power and wouldn't take a charge. After a deep diagnosis, we found two main issues. First, the internal 3.7 volts lithium battery was completely dead and beyond safe recovery. Second, the function switch had seized up due to dried toothpaste residue. To give this device a second life, we've replaced the old cell with a high-quality Panasonic imported battery for maximum reliability. We also performed a deep ultrasonic cleaning of the shell and applied specialized waterproof lubricant to the seals to ensure it stays water-resistant for years to come. That is the summary of today's restoration. If you just wanted to know why these toothbrushes fail and how to fix them, there is your answer. However, if you want to see the delicate disassembly, the battery swap, and the ultrasonic cleaning process, stay tuned as we dive into the details. Let's get to work.